Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
The song, Jerusalema, by South African DJ Master KG gained international fame for its infectious beat and uplifting spirit. Its title, Jerusalema, is a reference to the biblical city of Jerusalem, symbolizing a spiritual home or place of peace and salvation. The song's lyrics, sung in the Zulu language, speak of longing for a heavenly home and seeking guidance. Its appeal lies not only in its catchy rhythm but also in its message of hope and unity, which resonated globally, especially amid challenging times. The song sparked a dance challenge that went viral, further cementing its cultural impact.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.